In this video, I'm going to show you how to use CapCut AI video generator. So as you can see, I have this black image. Now, if I tap on this image, then at the bottom, you can see that we have AI image. So we can generate whatever we want from here. So let's see, let's type in a bunny hopping around. And then I'm going to use Nano Banana. So as you can see at the bottom, we have model. So make sure to use Nano Banana for the best output and then simply tap on generate. Now here you just have to confirm and wait for the image to be generated. Now, if you already have an image, you don't have to do this, but I don't have an image. So first of all, I'm going to generate an AI image, and then I'm going to show you how to use the AI video generator to animate this image. So it's really easy and it doesn't cost you anything. It's completely free. Now I also have the premium plan on CapCut because I think it's worth it, because it gives you 2000 credits a month beside all the premium features that you already have with CapCut. So now we just have to wait until the image is generated, and then what we're gonna have to do next is simply go back and then here, so as you can see, we have the image that we just created, and when we select it and then swipe right, we have AI video. So we can simply tap on this. So we can add a description basically to tell the AI what we want to happen in this image. You can also change the model. So as you can see, we have a video, but as you can see, it costs a lot of credits. But if you want, you can still use their AI model. And after that, we have the video settings. So we can change the duration. We can make this up to 12 seconds. We can change the aspect ratio. So let me choose something really cheap. So I'm going to use this one fast. So as you can see, it's going to cost me 10 credits, and then simply tap on generate. So now we just have to wait, and as you can see, I didn't tell the AI what to do. So it will automatically do the best thing that he can with the image. So it will animate, and we also add the description to the image. So I think both of these AI works together, so it will know, because I told the AI image to generate a bunny hopping, so we should see an animation with the bunny hopping around. Now let's wait until this generates, and we should have the video. So it's not that fast, but I think it's faster than other models. So as you can see now, we have the AI video. So as you can see, it looks amazing and it doesn't cost that much. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.